In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to earn $3,000 every single week promoting Digistore 24 products. And I'm going to walk you through the whole process right in this video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. All right. So as you can see right on my screen right here, this is a video right here that has earned $2.58. This is a video that was published just a few days ago, literally less than a week ago. As you can see, the video has gained over 4,000 views on this website. So if I play this video right here, as you can see, this is just a video of someone just showing how to make a recipe, as you can see right here. Okay, so basically, as you can see, it's also a very short video of someone showing this. If you come over to this website right here, I'm going to show you how to get this type of videos, and you can upload these videos for absolutely free as if they were your own. As you can see right here, these are also recipes videos right here. As you can see, this is the second website right here that you can use if you want, of people showing how to make various recipes. The first thing you want to do is you want to head over to digistore24.com, and if you don't have an account with them, it's absolutely free to create an account. And once you have your account created, all you just need to do is over to this marketplace and click on this marketplace right here. And once you do that, you are going to be brought to your dashboard that's going to look like this. Okay, so once you do that, you want to come over here and click on this product right here, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. All right, as you can see, this product is going to pay you $31.86. So now if I go back to the previous video I showed you, you can see this is a video about recipes right here. As you can see, Koala Chef recipes. So if you come back to this Digistore 24 products, you can see this is a meal plan for keto. Okay, so now let's say one of your videos got over 4,000 views like this one right here, and only 50 people decide to purchase the product, and this is the bare minimum. Okay, so if I multiply that by $31.86, so basically you'll be making over $1,500 just promoting with free traffic. So I'm going to show you how to do everything right in this video. So if you come over to SimilarWeb, as you can see, this website is getting over 119 million visits every single month. So basically it's a very good alternative if you don't want to use YouTube. All right, so now the next thing you want to do, you want to come over to Digistore and you want to grab your affiliate link. So once you copy that, so you want to come over to this website right here, cut.ly, and you want to paste in your Digistore 24 link right here, and you want to click on shorten. All right, so basically once you do this, this is all you need to do. And as you can see right here, this is your Digistore link right here. Okay, so the next step now is to come over to rumble.com and you want to create an account. It's absolutely free to create an account with rumble.com. Okay, so once you have your account created, the next step you want to do now, you want to go over to pexels.com and you want to type in keto recipe in the search bar, as you can see right here. All right, so once you type that right here, as you can see, over 600 videos are available on this keyword right here. As you can see, free keto recipes video, and like I said, you can use this video for absolutely free without having any issues. So as you can see right here, this is another video right here demonstrating how to make a keto recipe right here. So all I just need to do from here is to click on this download button right here. And once I do that, as you can see, the video is downloading to my PC right away. So now I'm going to be using this video to demonstrate how to do this whole process. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to canva.com and then you want to scroll down to this section that says videos. All right, and once you do that, you want to click on this video template right here. All right, so you want to click on create blank. So once you do that, you want to come over to the upload section and you want to upload the video we just downloaded from pexels.com, and then you want to drag this video and you want to drop it right here. So what you want to do now is very simple. You want to come over to the very end of this video. You want to come over to the element section right here. So you want to drag this shape right here and you want to drop it on this plus button, this plus right here. Okay, so once you drop it right there, as you can see, once the video finish playing, it's going to switch to this section right here. So now you want to scale this shape. All right, you want to make sure it fills the whole of the screen, and you want to give it any color of your choice. So let's say blue. So once you do that, you want to come over to the text right here. So you want to drag this heading and you want to drop it right here. And you want to type in something like, our ultimate recipe is available in next video below. Okay, so basically the reason why you want to write this is because basically if you click on the Digistore link to preview this product right here, as you can see right here, they will be redirected to this video that is titled free keto recipes. Okay, and also if they keep watching the video, you can see right here they'll get all of this for free right here if they watch this video. So that's why you want to write in the end of the video, our ultimate recipe is available in the next video below, because like I said, once they come over to this page, they are going to land on this video right here. All right, as you can see, and if they watch this video, this person right here is going to give them a full detail and description of what this product is all about. All you just need to do from here is to click on this share button right here and download this video, and the video is going to be downloaded to your device right away. So as you can see right here, the video has completely downloaded. So now the next step now is uploading this video to rumble.com. All you just need to do is go over to rumble.com and create your account. It's absolutely free to create an account, and once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this, and you want to click on this upload video right here. All right, so once you do that, you are going to drag the video you just created on Canva right here. Okay, so I'm just going to be dropping the video right here. So once you have uploaded your video, you want to give the video a title, as you can see right here, delicious and refreshing keto recipe. All right, and also you want to write a short description that looks like this: make this quick and easy keto recipe at home, enjoy. And you want to click right here, click here for next video, and you want to leave your Digistore 24 link right here. Okay, if you remember, we shortened the link on this website right here. Okay, so once you have the link shortened, you want to copy and paste the shortened URL right here. So once they go over to the description of the video, they click on this video and they will be redirected to this page right here. As you can see, free keto recipes. So after watching this video, and once they purchase the products, you make money. Okay, and you want to repeat the same process for as many videos as you can find. As you can see right here, there are other recipe videos that you can use on Pexels.com, so you can upload as many videos as you want, and the more views you can get on that video, the more clicks you drive to this page, the higher the chances of getting some of the people to buy this product. Okay, and like I said, if your video gets only 4,000 views and just 50 people purchase the product, you've already made over $1,000 already. Okay, so basically you can upload as many videos as you want, and you don't have to use only this product alone. As you can see right here, there are various categories right here that you can select other products and repeat this same strategy and start making passive income promoting Digistore 24 products. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is click on this upload right here to upload this video. All right, so once you click on the upload, all you just need to do is check on this button right here. All right, so you want to click on this link right here. Okay, so once you click on this link, it means you can make money with Rumble. So if you go over to rumble.com, so if I click on any of this video right here, you can see this video has earned $1.23 right here with just about 2,000 views right here. So basically you can also use Rumble to have a side income right here, as you can see right here. Okay, so basically that is why you have to select this option right here, and once you do that, you basically want to click on this submit. All right, now your video has been uploaded. So if I copy the link to this video right here and I paste it in a new tab, all right, as you can see, the video is still processing. Okay, as you can see, 33%. While the video is processing, you can see right here, this is the link to the Digistore 24 product right here. Okay, so once they click on the link, they will be brought to this page right here, as you can see. So basically, like I said, you want to repeat this same process for as many videos you can find on Pexels.com, irregardless of whatever niche you decide to go with on Digistore 24. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.